on gap risk management, and it's class number 17 of 60-day live class, binary alpha. Today we will talk about the gap risk management. What is gap risk management? Gap risk management is also emotional decision actually. We as we are trading basically with the cycle. Four trade equal to one cycle. But with money management system, if we follow the 5-10, we have two trade. Somebody have three trade in one cycle to manage their risk when they enter into the market. But the problem actually create when we are in a losing cycle. When our fast trade get into loss, then actually we forget about all the logics or so. We don't sometimes we don't have patience to follow all the rules and regulation of our learning what we have learned so far. But we need to remember that if we follow the situation, then we can obviously recover the situation. So in between a losing situation, we will obviously utilize the gap. Gap mean we can take a little break. When actually we start a trade cycle and suppose we see a loss, that should be in our mind that either I am not in a proper situation, or either I mistake, or either I am not understanding the logic, or either I have entered into the trade with emotion. So that happened, and that's why suppose you get one loss in your first trade, and after that you have time basically for next trade to take your next action. But in between the 1 minute you can also identify your mistake. So if you see your first trade was a mistake, so it's better to take a gap. Gap means forget about the total cycle. Don't try to actually recover the cycle in the same time. Suppose you have lost your first trade, that's mean that if you are able to identify your situation, that that is a mistake, I shouldn't do this or that, something like that, then actually you don't need to trade the pattern. Just forget about the chart and zoom out from the chart. Or if you want to see the chart only, that's okay, but don't take your second action, because you have mistaken, and if you want to recover on that situation on the same time, you will mistake again. And suppose your second trade is also a loss, but you know that you are confident that I was right, but you think that the market have some different behavior, that's why I am lost. So maybe I will recover and put another trade and try to recover yourself. That is also a mistake, because if you do that, you will do another mistake. That way basically you will start flushing out the money from your account. That's the thing. So we should remember the gap risk management. It will, if today's class is if we remember our class, then we will obviously on that period of time we will remember the situation, and we will obviously take a gap. And it's better not to trade. Suppose on the same time you have lost a two trade, and on the same time you think yourself that I will recover the trade with bigger lot size, something like that emotional happen. So if you already want to take bigger lot size, then don't trade in that chart. Try to find another opportunity in different time or different pair, then try to take the opportunity with the big lot size. Then you can able to, maybe you have 60% chance to recover your previous losses. But if you want to recover the situation in the same time, you will obviously lose your money. So today I want to give an example of our situation. I will not like to show actually somebody is doing a mistake, but today I will give a person, I will give an example of a person, Mr. Aniken. He says that he is not comfortable with the situation of 5-10 method. It's okay. So now see this today's result. So today's result actually come here, and there was so many losses. Why this loss happened? I can read his mind even I am so far away from him. So this person was actually trying to say in the beginning that he is not capable to take the stress of 5-10 method, what I am doing, and Shakir is doing, what Multani is doing, what Hadi is doing, and what Rashid is doing. But Aniken is totally different than others. He don't want to take the risk, or he don't want to take the stress, or he have less time to trade. So he take advantage of total binary alpha power. So basically what I understand by his money management and his progress is he actually trading this way. This is his basically this is his starting trade. Mean he start the trade with $15, and after win he stay with the $15. Then he lost, and then he grow his lot size, mean his risk, and he win, and see he recover the previous loss. So this way he is going. But what he is doing there and how he is getting this type of win, he only go for the safe flag candle, and he go for a bonus, and he win their way. So again, when he see another flag candle in proper position, he basically go for the bonus. But there may be the flag candle, after the flag candle there he have lost, but in next flag candle, another flag candle, he waited for another flag candle, and he win. He is watching, as he told me, he is watching 4 pairs, and you can see also that way that what is his pairs: CAD, pound, and sometime euro. So he is actually following 4 pairs. That's why he is getting so many flag candles and safe flag candles in small amount of time period, and he is actually gradually capable to win. Suppose see, after 2 loss he has a win. Mean 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-day result. From 4-day result, what we understand that you will get 2 losses if you try to be safe, and after that you will win. So see, there is no 3 losses inconsistent. So see, there is 2 losses and then win. This is what, this is the real life result, right? So see the combination, 2 loss and then win. So we don't see 3 losses in a row. So see, that way actually he is updating his situation, and he is progressing. But today what? 1 loss, 2 loss, 3 loss. Why this happened? Why this happened to him? Maybe he have put some notes there, but forget that note for a moment. What is happening here? Let me give you what the way his mind is thinking. So see this. He made a proper money management system with his safe investment, and now he says that he will take only 5 cycles per day. So now see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mean 5 cycles mean 5 win. He says so. Mean after 5 win he will stop for that day. Mean win, loss. So this is a cycle, but actually he is recovering previous cycle, loss cycle with win. So this way he actually going, and he recovered 2 loss cycle with a win, and he got total 5 win, and he stopped. So in the beginning, very beginning, he was so absolutely right about his situation, because he planned the money management system in a proper pool mind. But see this: 1 win, 2 win, 3 win, 4 win, 5 win. So by previous day's win, he get confident that what he is doing, and next day he repeat the same thing and see the result is very close. The result is very close. Now this is the third day. Now 1 win, 2 win, 3 win, 4 win, 5 win. So he get already 5 win of the day and he should stop. But what happened here? After winning 5 win, he is so much confident. Now the world cannot stop him like that. So now what he is doing? He is doing one trade, two trade, now loss cycle. So he go for the greed and with the confidence and now recover situation, and then he recover and he maybe say himself that I have recovered, I should stop. But you know, in our brain, jumping monkey. So that happened to him, and he take another trade. He couldn't actually move his eye from the chart. He couldn't remember his previous situation and confident. He get over and he take the trade and he stop and he leave the day. Okay, so less greed is okay. Now what happened? See this: 1 win, loss, 1 win, 2 win, 3 win, 4 win, loss, loss. Now 5 win. So he should stop. But this previous day's 2 win pushing in his what? Fourth day. And now see: 1 win, 1 win, 1 win, 1 win, 1 win, 1 win. Yeah, the result may be good, 124. But the thing is, Mr. Aniken is totally in dream and he is totally in greed. He forget about all the thing he have planned for. He forget about all the thing actually he promised himself. So mistake actually gradually grow this way. This day actually push him in his mind, and this day even he is good, but I see a damage happen to his mind, and now the result. So this thing happened: loss, tie, win, loss, loss, win, loss, loss, loss. So when you get so much success, you think yourself that I can go that way. But believe me or not, market is not like same way. So this will happen, and so the situation. See the situation. Before early, we have seen 300 and something else by 4 day calculation. Now see his losses, and now see his whole day week gaining go this way cloud, and his target was only 262. He already covered his situation in 4 day, but he now washed up the situation. Today is the last day, and if he go even more crazy to cover his total work, he will mistake obviously, and he might also wash up this money this way. So his 5 day goes to wrong way. So before he washed up his situation, Aniken is present. So Aniken should stop trading today, and you get this. It's enough. You get this enough, and you have learned your lesson. And I think you will admit what I have said. So now for the class subject, and can you come and what I have said? Just say that am I okay with your by watching your chart? Am I okay with your mentality? Yes or no? Aniken, please. Aniken, did you hear us? So if you can
Yeah,
come.
I did. I heard you. So I just took the, I mean, I had the time, so I just took the trade when I had the time. So I didn't stop because um, I just had the time. So yes, I could have stopped after I got the 5 wins for each days, but I still, today's win, the losses that I had today were just the losses from today's trade. It wasn't that I took more trades than I wanted to. So today is the 20th, so it was my starting the beginning of my trading day today. So that's when the losses happened, and so after the third loss, that's when I decided to stop. But it wasn't because today I just took too many. It was just starting a bad day trading. So I started with a loss, and then I made a mistake after the tie, um, and then I recovered the two losses after that win, and then the last three trades were a bad decision because I entered on a invalid trade, and then I still tried to recover from the same chart after an invalid candle, after an invalid
So,
flat candle. So
so by the subject of our today's class, you didn't take the gap, right?
no, I didn't try to wait for another valid candle. So I tried to recover from the
Yeah.
same AUSD. So and
Okay,
then that's
so
what happened.
be with me to explain the class. So what happened in Aniken's mind is actually he is what I have said. He is trying to recover from the same chart and same flag candle direction. But whereas he have already lost two trade, so that's mean that he have mistaken in invalid flag candle. So he couldn't able to control himself, and he go for another trade. He thought that he will recover, but market is not like so. Market will obviously punish him their way. And actually, Aniken admit this or not that he is saying that it's a bad trading day. There is no bad trading day, Aniken. If you are in binary alpha education system and if you believe in it already, you are believing it. I see that result. So the thing is, in binary alpha, we don't believe in bad trading day. We have to believe that we will take the proper decision, and we will obviously recover the situation. There is no such a thing, bad trading day. There is no such a thing. So forget about the thing what other people say or what other traders say. In my career of trading, in my trading career, I don't believe in this. So that is why I am in my position. So don't believe in a bad trading day. So Aniken, whatever you have done so far, I will clap for you because you have shown us a very good example, and you have shown your patience. Mean in your first day, your second day, you are so promising about your money management system, but yeah, you may have time, but what you have promised, for sake of the promise, try to keep that promise. This is not only a money management system. This is a person who you are promising. So it's better to keep yourself bind that way, that this is a person you are promising, and you have to keep your promise even if you have time. If you have time, then try to trade in your mind. Don't trade in your data sheet. I mean, don't trade such a thing what will lose your confidence in future. What will destroy your confidence in future. See, this thing actually aggressive. So this aggressive thinking and this confidence actually show you this result. You may say that this is a bad day. No, don't believe in it. Try to recall your previous day, and your mind actually push you to see this. So that's happened to you. You believe it or not. I have seen this in myself also. This is again and again I am watching in my life also in my co-trader also. So that is the result actually. See how gradually you just take it as a graph. This is okay and this was okay. But after this, you say you have time. So you have more time in your fourth day. See, that thing gradually grows. See the graph, see the box size. So that thing gradually grow, and this overconfident, if you say this is overconfident, this overconfident will destroy you. You believe it or not, it's not a bad day, it's a good day. I have traded today. There was no such a thing like this in my result, but in your result, you have seen this. So admit it in
When I
yourself. Admitting is good, and say yourself. Yeah.
When I say it's a
Yeah,
bad
Aniket, carry
day,
on.
it's not real. I mean, obviously the market will do what the market does, and so the bad day as far as my decision making, that's what I mean.
Yeah, 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 yeah. That's a correct sentence I can say right now. But do you find my calculation or observation or analysis good for you? If you, course, I am the doctor over here, and I will treat all the meds in my class right now. Everybody gone mad right now, so I have to cure everybody. So, do you find my analysis good for you?
I agree that I did not follow my management plan as far as stopping when I was supposed to stop when I got the 5 wins in a day. So, and it was just, yeah, I mean, there's nothing about it. I have to
See,
follow what I said, what the
you
plan is. So I have to follow it. So,
yeah. Yeah, suppose see this. This is five trade win, very good. Five trade win, very good. Even if it is a simple profit, I will say this is very good. Now one, two, three, four, five win. Okay, so maybe you have time, you have win. So you have made your luck there. Okay, that's good. So in your next day, you just win three trade and plus it with previous day advanced trade. So that way you can take your time and enjoy your life. You don't need to trade all the day. Okay, so even if you done this mess, this is, I will not say, oh, Aniken, in your fourth grade, this is great result, blah blah blah, something like that. But I will not influence you to do such a thing because your money management don't allow you to do so. So you have done this. Hadi, please, buddy. So you have done this, so it's okay now, and you have already covered your goal 262, more than 262. That was 300 and something else. So you should stop and you should get a whole day rest, and enjoy the class today. So you will become a star of the class today. But see, you get impatience, and this mess happen. So that is why I have bring everybody to this result sheet, so we can observe our mentality and observe situation, and obviously we'll gain some more power from this situation. Now let's go to Mr. Hadi. Hadi, don't talk what I say. So this is the first day. See his mentality. Oh, I forget. I will rank. This is the last day of the class, so I have to rank the student. I didn't say that before, but I will rank the student. If you guys mind, please don't mind. So from this week, we will rank the student. So Aniken is good in such a way he become the number one student of the class. Anybody like it or not, I have to do it. So this is his result. But Aniken, remember, if I see this, you will get a drop, because this is not what I like to see. This is not what I like to see. I want to see your proper money management system. And now see Hadi. So Hadi actually do very good. He was enthusiastic and he was excited after we get the demo, and he done his job in first day. Okay, that's great. Now see this: win, loss, recovery. Only for trade. Maybe he get his time. He get less time to trade. But I will think that I don't know what is his cause or something like that. I will not count that, because class is class, result is result. I will mark their way. So next day, basically he get scared. See, after two loss, he didn't go for any more trade. Only win and recover. He tried to settle down himself. I have give you guys demo account. Okay, so you can't say that there wasn't any safe trade or blah blah blah, something like that. He also marked that way how many times he have watched the market, something like that. But this is the thing: when he is unable to taking the trade, he was so scared in his situation. Okay, he was trying to protect his money there. Okay, that's good. That's also good mentality. But see, this mentality grow such a way, and see these two loss. After two loss, the whole day pass, and he didn't recover the situation. Binary alpha don't allow you to not to recover. Just stop. No, gap mean not that much gap. You have to recover unless you will pass years and years to make million. We are here to make $1,000,000, not only 100, 1,000 or $2,000 to just live our life. No, as you are here now, you have to make million with me. So this is the losses. After these losses, he actually stop. He don't give himself any push. He can't able to power up himself, and he stopped emotionally. And that's what happened there. I mean, this previous day emotion grab him there, and now win, 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 win. Okay, so when you recover your money, one trade, two trade, three trade, four trade, now see this emotion become confident. Okay, he take the gap, he thinks so many things himself, and now he start taking good trade, and now he is getting confident. He think himself that, yeah, I understand the situation now and I will carry on. But what happened? This happened. So don't let the emotion grow in yourself and see such a result. So see the result now this. But I like to say, Hadi, that what allow you to take your first trade with $10, mean your in your money management system, why this is 10, whereas your account size is only 250. You are taking $10 trade. What is not wise? Where I have sent you guys option trade, so you guys can set your money management system with $5 lot size. So this way you can recover yourself. You get three chances, even if you are using 5-10 method, but you have got three chances to set your money management system. So see this $10 trade, whereas you shouldn't do that. So if this is a $5 loss and this is a $10 loss, you have still chances to recover your position. So these are the mistake in Hadi. Actually, these are the emotional thing. I will especially say this. I will especially say this. Actually, you passed the whole day. After two losses, you didn't go for the trade because you were totally scared, and you start mailing me so many things. But after seeing those charts, believe me, that was easy for me to take. I mean, solve the situation. Okay, so now I will come back to Hadi with his situation or whatever he has said. Now, Rashid. So, see, first of all, Rashid, don't follow Hadi, don't copy Hadi. First of all, I like to say this. But the difference is showing in the end. The difference starts showing in the end that you don't want to copy Hadi, because in the beginning trade, your trade and Hadi's trade is totally equal. It's okay that you guys are brother and you guys are following the same thing, and same time you are saying Hadi, or Hadi is saying you, brother, I am going for this, so you can go for this. So what will happen? You guys are messing up with yourself. You guys are two different soul. You guys have two different decision. You guys have two different brain. So don't do that. That is the first mistake. And now you just do what? You just only in your first day you have win 1, 2, 3, 4 trade, and maybe you try to copy Hadi. In one trade I see a difference that you win but Hadi lost. So that will happen. So try to be different, and that way it will help you guys. And now there a loss and win. That's good. You recover, and now win, 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 win. Loss, loss, stop. Why? Why didn't you go for the next recovery? Because your money management don't allow you to recover for or go for the 50. So you play a little bit safe, and now you have trade one and win, and now your score is 41. So you are little bit safe, little bit copying Hadi, and in the end you are trying to take your own decision. That's good, but I will say do your next week trade yourself, so you will see your strength there. Unless actually you will not able to power up your situation. I am saying you that because you are oh, he's not there. What happened, Hadith? I'm
He is
talking
here.
about him. Yeah.
No,
Okay,
Kazi, he
so
is
don't.
beside
Okay.
me, and his hangout is wrong. What is wrong with hangout? Hi, Mr. Kazi,
Okay.
I'm here.
Okay. So, brother, see that I'm saying this to you because only you are Hadi's younger brother, and don't Hadi to control you in your trading career. I will say that Hadi don't mind and don't control him. He is a good what I say. He have a power in his mind to control himself. So let him do his work and don't influence him also. Yeah, you guys can talk and try share your ideas, but don't influence to take the trade. Let him take the trade alone. So don't push him to take the trade. Bro, I am taking this, you can take this. No, don't push him. Let him do the trade, so he will manage himself and learn the steps. So this is
Excuse me, Mr.
Rashid.
Kazi.
Yeah.
I have a question. You look at my chart, there is a 25, and before it, there is a 10. Okay? The 10 is win, the 25 is lose.
Okay.
Can you see it?
This
In this situation, yes.
this one.
Maybe it's a question to you, why this is a win and I recovered it. It's not unlogic. I put it, and in my chart, the candle is lose, but the result is win. I don't know why.
Okay,
Then I have,
yeah, I understand now. So the situation is maybe in your MetaTrader, you are watching a data what looks like you lost, but in your broker platform there was a win. Maybe there was a data difference between the broker and your MetaTrader. That can be happen. I can see in your internet little bit.
the below it. It's okay.
Yeah, that could be happen because I have seen this so many times in my life too. So that's the difference between the broker and the MetaTrader. Sometimes it's happen because of fluctuation of net connectivity. So in your broker, they see that your price is over than your order price, so they give you win. So it's not surprise or illogic. So. By the mentality of Rashid, I will take him to second position. So that's the way actually I have detached brother. Okay, I have detached the brother. So now Shakir, let's come to Shakir. He understand so far binary alpha in my class very well, and everybody know that Shakir is a good student. Okay, that is great. So Shakir, your last trade was in excitement, and you recovered the situation, and you was going well. Even you trade less trade, and you trade less trade, you are controlling yourself and trying to take the knowledge properly. And yesterday I was also absent in the class. I mean, we didn't take the class because of my health. And yesterday he was totally alone. He didn't able to talk with me, something like that. Maybe he was himself, and he himself actually make some destroy. He have putted all the notes what happened to him, and I will say actually he didn't take any gap. So today's subject, remember, we are still in the subject. Today's subject is gap risk management. Mean, if If you are losing in a cycle, in a flag, or in a situation, try to avoid the situation, so that way you will not try to recover on the spot. Try to get another potential trade and win or recover. Don't try to chase the market in same scenario, because this is a bad market and you trap bad situation. So don't chase it. Let the market do its work and you find another potential situation and trade. So he already understands his situation and he already pitched up with himself. So he know what he have done, and that's why a good student fail and go to the last bench. So that can happen too. And yeah, he have already learned and he have already admit his situation. And I will let Shakir talk now for his situation. Shakir, come to the mic, please.
Yes,
Mic,
thank you,
please.
Kazi. Hello, everyone. Actually, I already talked with Kazi, and we discussed all my mistakes yesterday. So, and I admit all my mistakes also. And what to say? I will try to um, to
No, no, no.
recover
What
next
to?
week
What? No,
and
no.
just
Hold on, hold on.
uh,
You have to say to others that what you shouldn't do, because that will help them to learn from your mistake. We are helping each other, right? So you will do better, we know, but you have to say to the other people that what you have done and what you shouldn't do, and you guys also don't do this. Say that.
well, at the first, I just before I start losing, I was feeling good and I was in positive, and you can see my return of investment. I was at 30% before start losing. 30% was a good percentage because I just started with 125, so it was good. And you can see that I start the day Thursday with the 1, 2, 3, 4. I made 4 winning cycles, and normally I should stop because you can see before I take just 3 to 4 cycles, maybe maximum 5. But here I don't know, maybe because we hadn't a class yesterday, so I said that I will profit and I will increase my percentage and my profit. But you can see what happened. I made a misclick. Actually, I want to trade another currency. It was the Euro GPY, I think, and I trade in place the Euro USD. So it was a misclick, but I wasn't angry or mad at this moment. I just want to recover the misclick, so I got a winning cycle. But just after that, I used the trend line first in just level one, I think. So it wasn't safe level, and it's not the excuse. I don't look for excuses. I already admitted my mistakes, but I just want to talk about this cycle. I used a trend line, and I just forgot about the logics. The trend was going up or down, and I just made a trade in the opposite of the trend, actually. So I didn't go with any logic, with any seventh or fifth logic, and I just watched the trend line, but the trend line broke, and so I lost. And with the 25 lot size, I tried to recover in another cycle actually, but I made just the same mistake actually. And then I got angry about myself, and I want to recover at any price, no matter the price. But and I got some good trades, some winning trades, and I should say also that I didn't respect my money management, because normally I should go with $5 for the bonus, just the bonus. But the 5-10 method, I should go with $10 and 25. But you can see that I just go with 5-10, 5-10. In the winning trades, guys, you can see the winning trades before yesterday. You can see some winning trades with just $5. The $5 actually there I should go with $10, and if I lose I go with $25, just like KAZi do. But I just go for five. I don't know. Maybe I was a little bit afraid, and I don't know why. So after that, I got very angry and mad, and I want to recover at any price. I I, I should say that I didn't make the update yesterday, and I wasn't even seeing how much I have in my account, in my deposit. So I just go with the winning trades, and I recover a little bit. But after that, when I start losing the $10 and the $25, there I said to myself that I should stop, and I should not lose all my deposits, because KAZi give us 250, and I took just the half, which means $125. So I said that I should stop, and I should go the next week with the half of the invest. And I made my calculations. I found that I have now just 116, maybe a little bit more, because I saw a gap in the deposit account. I don't know if you if KAZi verify this, but we have little more in our account, me and Shiraz. So I will make the calculation again, and I will verify. But I'm sure that I lost the $125. So
Yeah, yeah. You have lost the money, but the thing is, when you win the money, also there is a percentage variation. Every time it's not 70%, it's also sometimes 72, or sometime in midnight it grow 73, 74 something by your currency pair. So that's how the money, extra money, get added. So that's the difference, and you, even if you calculate, you will not get the calculation properly. It's happened to every broker, so don't go for that, and don't need to revise the situation. But what we have learned from Shakir is Shakir, in the beginning, he was totally disciplined, and after that, in the middle, yeah, he get some new information about the train line, and he was trying to utilize the train line, and he have seen some power in the train line, and he get overexcited, but he also forget the logic while utilizing the trend line, and he get into trap. So that's happened to him. Trend line basically is a very handy tool. That is for, remember, that is for your calculation of seventh logic or fifth logic expiry time, or where can the fifth logic actually come and touch and bounce back. Those type of situations, the trend line is good. But if you only want to start trading on the trend line, then we don't have to use the binary alpha anymore. But binary alpha is the main thing, and the trend line is the helping tool. That's it. That's what I can say. So don't get crazy with the trend line, but trend line, follow the trend line only to see the market behavior. So you can take help of the trend line. But Shakir already know what his mistake is. But rules is rules, and the ranking is ranking. So I have to take Shakir in the third position because his concentration and his example is also important to us. That's why he is in the position. But as I will rank that way also, the mentality of a trader, I think Rashid still have the mentality to control himself. He has the most controlling power so far in our student. Shakir show some impatience, that's why, but his contribution to the class is also very important for us. That's why he is in the third position, and I hope that with this information you guys can learn so many things, that if even if you are expert, you will get into trap this way if you don't follow the proper logic, and don't get mad or don't get crazy, don't get angry on the market. Market is not a human being, market is a machine, so you have to act like machine also to actually win the market with the logic. And Aniken is fast because his money management show a different scenario to me. I never think this way. This is an invention of Aniken, and he show a proper piece of money management where a person like him can take advantage of the situation. But it doesn't mean that you all follow Aniken. You have all individual identity, but this is an example of a business you can think of in later. But now what you are working on, only work on that. Don't try to follow Aniken right now. But this is a good example, and this is also a good example for me. But Aniken, you have done little mistake, but your grid actually shown in your next actually in fourth day grid start showing. Basically this third day grid come to this fourth day, and fourth day overconfident grid done this mess, but it still see you was disciplined in early, that's why the is there. If you are not disciplined in this, the money shouldn't be there. So you may gain confidence of your situation. This is your total 5-day result. So you know what you have done. Everybody, can you listen to me? Everybody?
Yes. Yes.
So there was a break, right? But before that, did you hear me about Aniken I was talking about?
Yes, yes, we hear you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So Aniken, you should take advantage of your discipline, like your first day, second day, and third day. But I will not say third day, first day and second day. Try to follow that structure, and that will help you to gain your proper confidence about going to the live account next. So please try to capture your situation this way. But this is a very good example, I will say. Everybody also learn. Don't learn this. Just try to learn to follow his following his money management, and try to stay with the money management all the time. Even it is less money, it's okay. It will give him power, more power. Okay. So now the thing is, Mr. Multani. See, I don't know. Multani is not present, but don't mind Mr. Multani.
Excuse me, Kazi. Excuse me, but we can't see your what you are seeing. You share the screen.
Thanks for reminding me that. Okay. So now Mr. Multani is not present, but we have to review the situation. Mr. Multani is minus 87. Why? Because he actually also get puzzled. I understand by his cycle. That is when he is in loss, he forget everything and try to do something extraordinary by himself, and that's what happening to him. And I also see irregular lot sizes. See this, this. See this. What is this? Cause his money management is 525 50. But do you guys see this? Where is the money management system? So he is actually not following the situation and get over frustrated by his situation. This way, nobody can win the market. You have a proper system. You have a proper system. Binary alpha shown by Aniket. Maybe this is the inventor. Okay. See what's happening. Hold on. Oh, my mouse is not working. I don't know. Oh, something going very bad in this. Hold on, please. Stay with me. You guys are listening, please confirm. I don't know what
Yes, we
happened.
can.
Yes,
You guys
I
are
can hear.
listening, please confirm.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So the thing is actually Mr. Mr. Shiraz, he is not following. He have the all material and all the information, but he will also agree the situation that he can't able to control himself. Even he know binary alpha properly, and you guys see that so far I was only updating the account and I was saying that I have made 45 to that amount, that sort of amount. For last 3 and 4 weeks, I have said so many blah 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 about my improvement or so, my mistake or so. But now you guys are in the same role, and now you guys, some guys are actually following binary alpha, some guys are following and also not following. That situation happened. That can be happen to everybody in the very beginning. This is don't get sad of the situation of yourself. This is the learning curve. This is the situation where we will learn the steps. This is the stepping stone, you can say. So see, Mr. Multani actually still unable to recognize or unable to apply the system to his account. That's why this type of result happened. But I like to say, Mr. Multani, please calm down and try to follow at least 1 week properly in safe level and with your proper money management system. You will see different result, obviously. Even even if you follow at least 70% of binary alpha and at least 70% of your money management system, you will get result like Mr. Rashid. See, less learning is good also, but you will see this type of result, obviously, with patience. So that's what I can say about Mr. Multani. And Hadi, you are still good and still ahead than Mr. Multani. So you are in fourth position, and there are three more students. They have some problem with their personal life or career. So I don't want to go there because those are totally empty. I don't see any updates there. But they will recover soon, and obviously we will see some good updates like this, and maybe our updates will inspire them, so they will join soon and show us their ability and their trading progress their way. So this was the class, and the rest I will say the same thing, gap risk management. Try to remember this. Gap risk management mean when you are in a losing cycle, don't chase the market on the spot. Give a gap, take another potential trade like Aniken is doing. You can change your plan also, and you utilize your money management system also. Try to go for the potential trade and try to recover yourself and progress. So that's why you need a gap risk management system in your mind. From today, put this in your mind that it's a gap risk management system. Whenever you lost a trade cycle, stop there and try to take another potential trade. If in your next trade you must have two trade, so you can recover your situation very easily if you go for a safe flag candle and try to take one bonus, then it will recover. So if you go for two potential flag candle for bonus, maybe in your second candle you will get and recover and settle down your situation, then come back to again your 5-10 method. So that's the tips I can give you guys, but set this in your mind, the gap risk management. So it will helpful, it will be handy, and you can recover yourself and you will progress your account in the same day. So you don't need to stop like Hadi totally stopped cause he get scared. He sent me so much mail, but I may will follow those things. But when I see the chart, Hadi, I see that there was some easy solution. What can be done very easily? Let me give one example of Roshid at least, because so far I didn't give any solution to Roshid. I just say blah blah blah, and I said that I will complete this in the class. I don't know, yeah, something like this. So let the chart come out. So this is his problem. What happened to him? He wants to know. So maybe this is the trade where you win, right? But this is showing a loss candle, right, Rashid? That was the question. I don't know. I
Yes,
have
yes.
to go back to the mail again. So, oh, so
In this
actually
situation,
that can happen. I have, yeah, yeah.
the first this after second loss, I put call trade, and as you see in the picture, it's the white candle, and I should be the win trade for me, but the result was lost, and I don't know why. I checked it
Oh,
to yes, yes.
that's because
I
I
checked.
think I have, yeah, yeah, yeah. I mailed you about that maybe you are watching a different currency pair and you have take another currency pair in your broker. That could be happen for this type of thing. Is it? Did you recheck the same currency pair?
I checked it as it was the correct. This I trade this that's pair currency in the broker.
Yeah, but I don't know. I can't see the currency pair and can verify right now. But the only reason that can happen like that, I have given you in the mail that you have what you are were watching a currency pair and you have taken another currency pair and that way you may get lost. Cause that's happened so many times to me also. So that could be a reason if you check again and again. Unless I can't verify this way. Actually, we don't see any currency pair mark there. So that's what I can say. And
Okay, thanks.
Hadi give me so many emails about this losing trade and not clearing in using. What does it mean by that? Not clearing in
Click
using.
on them and show them in up row. Click on the table. I told you this is not clearing in using 2 minute trading.
Oh, that case. So see something like that. Hold on, let me show you guys something. Actually, don't try to use this trend line. I don't use this trend line because this trend line is only trend line, but I use this Fibo fan tool, so I can find a proper trend channel. So this is the suppose current trend channel. Okay, so see this. I am marking from this to this, and now, so I will not mark this way because I didn't get this situation, but I can mark this thing. So if I go for another Fibo fan this way, hold on. So suppose this is the exact point because this pin bar actually touching this and this, so we get a range. So now see this, suppose this is a flag candle and this is the what, this is the reverse direction, and this is a loss and this is a loss. But see, there already for this doji, we know that it's the indecision already, and we'll go for put and we'll recover ourselves. But say we don't recover ourselves, but we know how far actually this momentum can push. First off, our first gate is this momentum can push this high, or this momentum, if this we see this break, mean it can go this high. So this way actually you can imagine your situation that if it is a valid 7th logic or so, then how minute it can take to go there. Or if it is an invalid 7th logic, mean suppose this candle touch this, suppose this way, so it's obviously become an invalid 7th logic by the momentum logic. So obviously we will go for a put direction, but see, there is a distance between this KAZi high low and this channel, mean this trend line. So we must take 2 minutes to recover. But if the trend line come close to, suppose like this gap, and we see a valid 7th logic there, so on that situation we can count 1 minute. So this way actually you can take a measurement of the timeline, that will you go for 1 minute or will you go for 2 minutes. So practice this even if you lost in the market, or don't try to trade on the demo. Practice this, or try to go to a previous history and draw your channel and try to see. Suppose there is a draw and see that 1 2 losses, and now is it a 7th logic or is it an invalid 7th logic? So obviously we can say it's an invalid 7th logic by the scenario. The logic is okay, but the thing is that this price actually can push the level this far. So in this situation, if you are in indecision, that you don't understand this is an invalid 7th logic or this is a valid 7th logic, don't trade. Try to see the market what it do. Try to see the market what it do. So then you can decide yourself what you can do. Okay, so this is also a situation where you can take a gap, So these are the things trend line can help basically. So if you take a gap, or if you decide your indecision, or if you decide your decision that way, you can help yourself. But forget about the trend line. Suppose this is an invalid 7 logic, and we will obviously go for a call. We lost, and after that we'll go for a call. Obviously we'll tie, and after that, because we are in the recovery, we'll obviously go for a call and we will win, because we are sure about this, that this is an invalid 7th logic, and we'll try our best to recover. You have situation there to recover, but if your mind is not suitable to go for the next level or don't go for the next trigger, don't trade. Take the gap, try to find another potential flag and utilize that. And if you are not sure that you understand seventh logic or fifth logic, but you are in a loss situation, this is not a loss situation in your mind, this trader in your mind, because you are following fifth logic 510 method. So stay there, not to go there. Why this happened to this? See this. This is maybe level 1, a proper level, level 2, now level 3, level 2 to level 3 is safe, level 3 to level 4 is safe, and level 4 to level 5 we don't count, so we'll obviously not trade this one. So see, that's why this sort of thing we can see, mean when there is a magnet close to the price, obviously it will attract, and when it is so far from the magnet, there is another power what will push the market and fluctuate the market, so you will not find a proper logic there. So that's why you will get distracted in your situation. So it is better to forget about those levels. Okay, so how
My bad.
Kazi, can you hear me, Kazi?
I can hear I can hear you. I can hear you guys.
You have an internet problem because we can't hear you. Now we can. Now
Okay.
it's good.
Okay.
It's okay now.
Okay. So Hadi said me about this 2 minute. So what level was that? One level, second level, and there is the third level. So after this flag candle, see this flag candle. It's a very big flag candle. It's a very big flag candle. Obviously, the momentum will shift very soon. So there is a bonus. Okay, there is a bonus. Okay. So now this is a loss. This is a loss. So now his thought was that it's the invalid seventh logic. Sorry, his thought was invalid seventh logic, and he go for what? Put. He go for put, and he go for put, but he apply the 2 minute because there is a distance. There is a distance, but somehow the market didn't go in his direction, and it goes away. But Hadi, I like to say something over here. See, this is level 1 and this is level 2. See the range gap. See the range gap. So by default, if you say this is level 1 and this is level 2, so see, yes, it's level 2, I also admit, and now it's level 3. So see the difference that this one second level already eaten up level 3. This level already eaten up this level 3, and that's why the level 3 is very small. And see, if you go for a trend line that way, the trend line actually have this gap. You can't draw a trend line that way, but see the difference. If you draw a trend line from this way and try to go with the end of the body that way, so see, same place the trend line will pass, and there same time it will get up. So see the solution there. See, so this trend line is okay, I will say, but you forget to draw the early trend line. I talked about two trend line. One is H trend line, one is early trend line. So you forget about the early trend line, that's why you didn't see this. So that's why it didn't come to this. Yeah.
Excuse me. When I was trade, there was that candle you pointed. When I was trade, the candle wasn't formed.
Yeah, I say that
Because
too. I say that too. This candle you will not see before you trade, right? But I am talking about the trend line drawing. Mean if you follow this long trend like this, there was no candle, I know, but you have this. Mean at least this point, if you draw a trend range, you will see that trend line will touch this. So that's happened in your case. But I have to say that this level is 1, the range was good, and this range was weird. So try to think. This is another tips you need to learn, guys. This range is good, so the second range should be there in this position, not there. So it's weird. We have missed one level, cause this is the symptom that this bounce back there and go there. So there was a level 2, what we don't see, it's called hidden. So there was a level, but in only open eyes we see level 2. And if you count now this way, by binary alpha logic, level 1, level 2, level 3, obviously this is a unsafe, sorry, this is a safe level, level 3 going to level 4, it's okay. But this is the unsafe level. But see the difference that this is the bounce back. So you can say that there was a level what the KAZi Hilo didn't plot properly, but there was definitely a level because this range is not good. So if you draw a line this way, there is the thing. So if you draw a line till this, it will show or touch this. So that's why that seventh logic didn't work. So that was the example. So you guys have all the information, and you guys can tweak and test your past historical chart, and you will find this. So this mistake actually teach you the lesson that yeah, I should remember the early trend also, and I should remember about the age trend also. So it's better to draw a trend line this way with the fifth fan. So see, now I am drawing a trend line from this, and I am following this age area, and see this. So when actually the market come to this, obviously with 2 minutes it will go up. So I will not go for this. It obviously looks like an indecision seventh logic to me, and also this candle is touching this candle. So obviously it's an indecision seventh logic, and I also see very small space. So I am confident to go for call, but we are unlucky that this trade is lost. This trade is tie, and this trade is win. So if we apply even 2 minutes in this candle, maybe we will recover the situation there. So that's the way 2 minutes can win, or 1 minute can win also, but it will take some time. But don't give yourself hope, it will win this way. And in your chart, see, there was the thing just like this, cause this is so straightforward trend, almost close to 90-degree, and see this, and now the range actually touched there. So that's the way you can say that even this is an invalid seventh logic. So trend line actually also give you an opportunity to see in advance what is valid, what is invalid. So you guys understand momentum and everything. Now you guys have that proper trend line to identify the situation. So class, we have come to so many situation, and we are now. I'm really happy to see all of you guys are trying your best. And yeah, mistake will happen. We will learn from the mistake too, and we'll obviously sort out our situation. And obviously, one day we will not become a professional trader, but from our mistake we will become one. Like everybody is progressing, Rashid is progressing, Shakir is progressing, Hadi is progressing, Multani is also progressing, because everybody is doing some stuff and try to help themselves. So you guys are helping yourself, and today's review and today's subject is very important. Try to remember the gap risk management, so it will help you guys to recover your situation and improve your situation. So I close the I stop broadcasting the class this way.